My dear farmers, Namaskara. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to discuss to you about Kachra Mitra. Although I have made the video in the Hindi, English subtitles are there, but even then, a lot of my farmers from the south, from the Maharashtra, from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, and the other part who are not able to understand Hindi properly, they requested me for the English. So, it is Kachra Mitra 50-liter pack in bulk quantity. It is mainly designed for the waste, urban waste. It is easy to convert your agriculture waste with the help of original waste decomposer or waste decomposer, and you have used and seen the results. However, for the urban waste, it is somewhat problem, some difficult task, because that contains lot of toxic material. Besides toxic material, it is the heavy metals which cause damage to the field, and it is well known in organic farming. Due to this heavy metal content, it is not allowed in our agricultural lands. So targeting that one and make it to bring it down, the cost of conversion is very easy, or you can say cheaper. I have designed for this Kachra Mitra. It contains lot of bacteria and other microorganisms which are already in OWDC or in other product, but it contains some more special bacteria which are more active, because whatever the waste is present outside in urban waste, it is mainly lignin and cellulose, and content is depends upon the your quality of the material, or you can say the composition of the material, because there is no control in Kachra. So that contains your everything which is high in cellulose, lignin, as well as your toxic residue, heavy metals. So this composition of bacteria, multiple bacteria which I am giving you, first of all, if you take our 50 liter of material, it is able to decompose 150 tons of waste material. So that is the one unique feature. And multiplication, you can say this usage is very simple. Of course, it is, you cannot multiply it as you are doing with the waste decomposer. It has to be directly used. Suppose 50 liter you have taken, you have to dilute 10 times, means 50 liter you have to make 500 liters, and you can spray directly to the waste. Whatever the waste is present in your premises or outside, or if you are converting the urban waste, just on the tag, just you spray it and make it sure it has wet total material. That is the only key point. Whatever the material is available, you have to spray like that. It should reach every part of the material. Sometimes, suppose your heap is 6 feet, 7 feet high, you have to make a hole with the help of any rod or any bamboo, and make it sure when you are spraying it, it is reaching inside also. So that will help the material which is decomposable to decompose faster. That is one precaution. Other precaution is when you are wetting it, it is up to you. If you are turning it with the help of GVC or with the help of your any other means, in 5 days, you are able to see the changes in second turning. That is 10 days. 10 days you are able to see the material is started converting into manure, and color will be darkened as it start blackishness. So after 12 days, when you are turning it, it decomposed maximum material and you are able to get the good quality of the manure. The features of this your Kachra Mitra, why I have made name is Kachra Mitra, it is one of the reason when you are spraying it on any waste, within 3 hours you are not able to get any smell. Why? Because there are the bacteria which first kill the pathogens and other bacteria which cause the rotten smell. That is a unique feature, one. Other feature is it controls the fly, it controls your other pests and insects. Third thing you can see, if this waste is lying on the directly on the soil, so when you are spraying this material, after 15 days, you can see the small holes in your soil. That is due to self-generation of the worms, earthworms, which are in the soil. They will attract with this Kachra Mitra solution because it contains our enzymes and bacteria that also release the enzymes that attacks to the earthworms. So earthworm is natural, generated in the waste. It will come after 12 days when the material is started decomposition, or you can say it may start quite early when material is half decomposed. That you can see, observe it visually, and after 12 days you are able to see the tag height will be reduced. That is the other good factor. Visually you can see the height will be reduced. And third thing, because material as such you have used as a spray, so when you are going for segregation or sometimes you are just sieving it, the material will be easily will come out. And one other thing you can see, the material which is coming out, it will just like our tea powder, means fully decomposed material. If other factor, if you are not able to turn it, if material is as such it is lying, you will see it will take 20 to 23 days. Upper side may looks you the same, but when you are taking the material from inside, when it is coming out, it will turn within 3-4 minutes blackish. As I told you, it is enzymes, so temperature will be not raised much, number one. Number two, it contains some bacteria which helps to control the temperature. And also, one major thing, it also absorbs the heavy metals. It is, of course, it is with the bacteria, as well as whatever the residue is there, that will be consumed by the bacteria. And conversion will be faster. Next thing you can see, after conversion, you can compare with this material with any material available in outside. Just to convert with this material with the Kachra Mitra, and whatever the other materials are available in the market, you are doing the already using it. Both the material you use it, after conversion, send it to the any lab. The major thing you will find in our case, organic content will be high, mineral content will be high, NPK will be high, residue effect will be minimum with a tolerance limit, heavy metal will be reduced, it will come within limit. These are the few very important features. And our value, carbon content will be high, more than 10% in with the normal case. Suppose if you are taking the cow dung, it contains about 45 to 55% of the carbon. So in our case, 4 to 5% more, minimum 10%. It is visible. 10% is reported to 5-10% you will get more organic carbon. So this is a one unique feature here. In comparison to others, their selling is very high, 1000 liter, 2000 liter, 5000 liter, or somewhere I have seen 10,000 liter. And that cannot be diluted. Here it is concentrated material, you can dilute it. So cost of, we have seen 50 liters, 150 tons material you can convert it. The cost of per kg, if you consider, including your labor, everything, it is hardly 10 paisa. Or per kg, I am saying, 10 paisa per kg. Sometimes it increase depends upon your raw material also. But it is not very high as comparison to the others. Because labor costs, of course, it is depend upon the area, that may change. And water, if it is water, it is not available, that again raise the amount. But Kachra Mitra, whatever you are going to use it, it is certainly going to give you very good results, very good effects. And you can observe whatever the waste is there, it is converting easily. So these are the few features that I have mentioned it. It is lot of other benefits of the Kachra Mitra. You can try for the trial purpose, you can take a 5 liter, and 5 liter you can dilute to 50 liter, then convert the material in ratio. You can see how it is changing, how fast it is working, how nicely it is working, and it is environmental friendly, no pollution to the air, to the water, to your ground. So lot of extra benefits are there. I hope you will use it and see and witness the results that I expect from you, and share your video to me so that other farmers, other my workers will also get the benefit. Thank you very much.